What's going on, Chris? My name's Kyle with Millsap Digital Marketing here in Scottsdale. I wanted to reach out and make you a video that's going to bring you and your business value. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can personally build and optimize a website to where you drive in traffic and generate leads for your business. So I have a few tips I'm going to share with you today, but first I want to start off with this platform here. It is called snaps.ai. And it's one of the many platforms you can use to build websites on. I picked this one because it's very user-friendly, has tons of templates that you can choose from. It's just easy to use all around. So if you wanted to use it, just go ahead, sign up, sign in. It'll take you to this page here, which is going to be the home screen. You just go up to the top right corner with the Create Website, and it'll give you tons of templates that you can choose from. I mean, they got pages of templates. They even have a template already made up for electricians right over here. So if you just hover over it and you could select the template, I have it pulled up in this corner here. This is what it would look like. So as you can see, it's basically all ready to go. It has writing in it, has pictures in it. All you really need to do is just fill in some blanks, add your phone number, your business name. But I would recommend adding more content. Now, what Google cares about is not how awesome the website looks, but what kind of content is on the page. Google, they like to see a lot of content, and the websites with the most are going to be the ones with the most authority on the topic. Google, they really try to give their user the best experience possible by ensuring it has everything that they need. So if I would recommend you put at least 1,000 to 1,500 words on your home page. And inside that content, it's important to have buyer intent keywords. What I mean by that is it's what people are searching for in the Google search bar. This tool here, it's called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. They're free tools that you can use out there. If you just Google backlink checker or keyword finder, you can find the free tools that you need to be able to build out your website yourself. So here I just looked up Electrician and Kemp. And here I just highlighted an example of a keyword that should be inside your content. Electrician, Kemp, Texas, TX. That's being searched about 10 times a month. And and there's keywords that you can find for your services, buyer intent keyword for the services, and buyer intent keywords for your service areas as well. So I saw there was about 1,000 people in your neck of the woods. So I'm sure you go all over the place and service multiple areas. So it's important to have those keywords in there as well. Now my next tip for you is backlinks. Backlinks are just as important. It's what gives your website power. Backlinks are links throughout the web when clicked on will bring the user back to your website. It's like having a popularity contest, and the person with the most backlinks usually wins. Google, they're looking at other sites that are pointing at you and vouching for you. They're basically saying, hey, they're actually a trustworthy company, or they offer an awesome service. But not all backlinks are created equal. Google, they want to see backlinks that are relevant to you, such as other electrical companies or home improvement websites that have links linking people back to you. Google doesn't want to see backlinks coming from, say, Pizza Hut. Well, you're not a food company, so the more relevant, the better. So I pulled up to Google and I Googled electricians in Kemp. And this is Gardner Electrical. I'm sure you know exactly who they are. And just one other thing that you should add to your website would be your service area pages. You see Gardner Electrical, he has a page for an electrician for each individual city, and it's a super simple page, just a couple of pictures and maybe 500 words of content with some of those keywords in there. If I go to Crandall, Texas, just so you can see what a location page looks like. So it's super simple, just some text, and the picture. And as you can see, he has his keywords in there: electricians in Crandall, Texas, electrician in Crandall, electricians, Crandall, Texas. So those are more examples of keywords that should be in your content. Now back to the backlinks. So Ahrefs also lets us see what's going on behind the scenes. So this is your competition's numbers. He has a URL rating of 7. That's how powerful his website is. Domain rating of 1. That's how trustworthy his website is. He has around 23 people coming onto his site through an organic search each month. And that number fluctuates up and down. And everybody has their busy seasons. He's being found for 152 buyer intent keywords. He has 49 referring domains, giving him a total of 88 backlinks. And if these backlinks here are good enough to rank him to the top of the Google, they're good enough to take your website to the top as long as you have your content and keywords in place. So how do you get these backlinks? You just go into the referring domains, and each and every one of these websites has a link linking people back to his website. And you can do the exact same thing with yours. You just go into the websites. Some you just might have to create a profile, and you can add your website in that way. Others, you might have to go to the contact us, email the owner, and they might hit you back with a small fee to be able to advertise on their website. Now, my last tip for you is you're already doing, so you're doing a really good job in that aspect, and that's, just stay in the #1 spot in the Google Map Pack, and that's this area here. As you can see, I pulled up Google and I just searched Electrician and Kemp. You're right there in the #1 spot, which is a good place to be in. Now, to keep this spot, if you wanted to add a little more backlinks, you can add some citations to that, and I would recommend doing it. Just give you a good head start on your competition. And all a citation is your business name, your business address, and your business phone number listed in directories throughout the web. And some examples of a directory would be places like White Pages, Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau. Even social media is considered a directory nowadays. So I hope this was helpful for you. Just a quick recap. You can corner your market, put 1,000 words, 1,500 words of content on your home page of your website. Make sure you add your buyer intent keywords in there. Then get all the backlinks your competition has and get them linking back to you. And finally, keep on adding your business name, your business address, and your business phone number, all spelled exactly the same all across the internet in more directories than your competition has. And if you follow these tips, you will have a nice website build, you will drive in traffic, and you will generate leads for your business. So if you have any questions, Chris, you need any guidance or any sort of help, you are more than welcome to reach out to us. Our phone number is 480-605-0508. Thanks for watching.